It's Tommy here. So today I wanted to teach you how can you duplicate the Gacha Life 2 in any Android devices. So first you're gonna go to Play Store and you're gonna search for Dual Space until you find this one over here. You download it, and once you download it, you can add with the plus button any app. I got Angry Birds Star Wars, Angry Birds Star Wars 2, and you can also duplicate Gacha Life 2. You click on Gacha Life 2 over here, and then you click on clone. And there you have it. So I hope this tutorial was helpful, and bye bye.